Hi everyone, this is Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I wanted to share the last entry into my Anything Goes paper crafting challenge. I did extend the challenge just a little bit, and I'm actually starting cross country this week, so this will be my last entry. Then I will draw the winner in a couple of days. So I'm not exactly sure who this entry is from. Someone did leave me a comment, but I didn't see a VR on her channel. So let's dig in. I just kind of cut the top of the envelope open, but let's take a look inside. It was wrapped in this really pretty snow tulle, which is so fun. I don't think I actually have this in pink. That's very cool. Okay, I'm going to look to see if I can find a card here. So we have this very beautiful shiny card. Let's take a look. I like big cups and I cannot lie. Very cute. Here is her information. Exvaria. I am sorry if I butchered that. Sassy salutations. I will find her on YouTube and link her down below. Thank you for entering my challenge. I'm so excited. This was in this beautiful shiny envelope, and I'll just move this stuff aside to take a better look at how cute this is. I love this. And here's her information, which is super cute on this tag. And then she has shared these really cute cut-aparts. These are so fun. I love cut-aparts. And over here we have a ticket and a little teacup. Shine bright. I love that these are double-sided. Thank you for that. This is beautiful paper. And is this... Looks like we have a pocket up here. This is a beautiful design. Be true to yourself. Very sweet. Very sweet. Put that over here. Wow, this is so nice. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I am a coffee drinker. Messy bun and coffee run. I love it. That is very cute. Here's her information. Sassy salutations. What a cute name. Look at how pretty this is. It's sparkly on top. Thank you so much for sharing that. She has shared an about her on the back. Thank you for sharing that information about you. That's the back of it. So sweet. This is so fun. I need to recreate this. I'm going to check your channel to see if you have a tutorial on it. I love how it's put together and it's so sturdy. Thank you so much. She has shared these really pretty flowers. We have some flowers. Oh, look at these. Those are so cool. I love them. That's very cool. Thank you for those. Definitely be using those. And look at this. She has shared a stamp set with me, a Bible journaling one, and it is Be Strong and Take Heart. Be still and know I am with you. Very nice. Thank you so much for these. These are beautiful, and I actually don't have this set. And she has also shared these very cool like chalkboard stickers, and I don't have these either. I love this bicycle. Thank you so much for these wonderful goodies, this beautiful handmade project. And I'm going to go ahead and get you entered into the challenge. I'm going to just list you as... Okay, there's your entry. And like I said, I'm going to go check out your channel right now and throw in a second entry if you did a VR. Here's the jug. We're going to drop you right in there. And I will be drawing this here in just a couple of days. Okay, well, I'm jumping back in here because Sassy Salutations posted a VR while I was posting this video. I have already dropped her original ticket, her first entry for the project in my jar, and I'm going to go ahead and add her second entry for her VR. Okay, sweet friend, here you go. That's your second entry into the prize challenge giveaway that's going in the jar for your VR. It's kind of funny how we actually were kind of posting the same video at the same time. Thank you again so much. Thank you so much for entering my challenge. I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.